If Lightroom is showing the message "Can't verify subscription status," don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and in most cases, you can get back into your photos in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it in the right order, starting with the most common cause first. If this helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tutorials. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. This is the most common reason Lightroom cannot verify your subscription. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, and if your internet is weak or dropping in and out, that can trigger this error. Try loading a website to confirm your connection is working properly. If needed, disconnect and reconnect to your network. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. Adobe services often have trouble verifying subscriptions when your connection is routed through a VPN, so temporarily disable it and then reopen Lightroom. If you're using a work or school network, a proxy can also interfere, so make sure that is turned off as well. After that, open the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Lightroom relies on Creative Cloud to verify your subscription, so if Creative Cloud is closed, signed out, or having issues, Lightroom may fail to check your account status. Launch Creative Cloud and make sure you were logged in with the same Adobe account that owns the subscription. If you're signed into the wrong account, sign out and log back in with the correct one. This step is very important because Lightroom needs Creative Cloud running in the background to confirm your license. Once you've done that, update both Lightroom and Creative Cloud. Open Creative Cloud, go to the Update section, and install any available updates for Lightroom and Creative Cloud Desktop. Outdated versions can cause verification problems, so keeping both apps updated is one of the best ways to fix this error. After updating, restart your computer and open Lightroom again. In many cases, that is enough to clear the subscription status error. If it still appears, double-check that Creative Cloud is open before launching Lightroom, and confirm you are connected to the internet with VPN and proxy disabled. Following these steps in order usually solves the problem quickly without needing anything complicated. So to recap, use a stable internet connection, turn off VPN or proxy, open and sign into Creative Cloud, then update Lightroom and Creative Cloud. Once that's done, Lightroom should verify your subscription normally again. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.